Boeremag accused found guilty of treason and latest on Berchtenbach's disciplinary hearing. I'm Lebo Changela with this news update. Boeremag accused Mike du Toit has been found guilty of treason. The North Gauteng High Court has ruled that plans discussed by Boeremag members at the so-called potato shed meeting in January 2002 were without doubt about a violent coup. At the meeting, the accused had to swear an oath of allegiance and were given specific tasks. Another accused, Tom Foster, emerged as the new leader after police started to investigate du Toit. Foster told members that the trigger mechanism for the coup would be a series of bomb blasts. Judge Ibn Jordan will continue with the reading of the judgment tomorrow. Prosecutor Glenys Berchtenbach's disciplinary hearing in Pretoria has heard that her suspension was linked to her investigation of former intelligence boss Richard Mdluli. Berchtenbach's counsel Wim Trengove says commercial crimes unit head Lawrence Morebi and his client had a heated clash late last year after Morebi ordered that charges against Mdluli be withdrawn. Berchtenbach protested that the reasons for the withdrawal were unfounded and that the prosecution should proceed. On December 14, the charges against Mdluli were provisionally withdrawn. Mdluli faced a raft of fraud and corruption charges. Justices of the Supreme Court of Appeal have questioned a proposal that should hear cases in various districts of the country and not just in Bloemfontein. The Superior Court's bill currently being considered by Parliament provides the establishment of circuit courts for the Supreme Court of Appeal. Justices of the CSA say it will cause logistical difficulties with adverse financial implications. However, Advocate J.B. Skosana of the Department of Justice says a circuit court for the CSA should at least be an option, as most appeal court judges are from Gauteng.
If, for purpose of access to justice, the 5 panel members are all from Gauteng, the lawyers are all from Gauteng, and they just want to finalize the matter, and it's during recess, if there's a discretion, they may use it if they want. But all I'm saying, it can alleviate a lot of challenges on the people who pay the bill.
And the DA says South Africa's jobs crisis is rooted in the fact the ANC has maintained the apartheid government's ideology of insiders and outsiders. According to the DA, the ruling party's restriction of certain groups from participating in the economy has led to inadequate growth. This is the central theme driving the DA's plan for growth and jobs to be unveiled at Pretoria's Freedom Park on Saturday. DA Shadow Minister for Finance Tim Harris says COSATU is the perfect example of insiders.
They are in a privileged insider position because of this relationship they have with the ANC and the Tripartite Alliance. And they really abuse that position. The youth wage subsidy is an excellent example of how they can block policies that would create jobs for young people. They block the reforms to make teachers actually accountable. We're talking to other trade unions who agree with us, for example, on the youth wage subsidy like Fiducia. So there's no issue with labour, broadly speaking. There's an issue with COSATU and their privileged position.
The DA's jobs and growth plan will be popularized in what the party says will be the biggest campaign it has ever embarked on outside elections.